93 buses will be added to the fleet of the Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, to improve public transportation. There was a handing over ceremony today in Portmore St. Catherine. But why are the buses being delivered now? Details from Andrea Chisholm.
Everywhere them go and see bus after bus after bus after bus after bus.
Transport Minister Darrell Vaz on the handing over of 93 JUTC buses. Another 7 being retrofitted for those with special needs should arrive in August. 63 of the 93 buses will be fueled by compressed natural gas (CNG) and the remainder will run on diesel. The JUTC will now expand its charter services as well as routes from Spanish Town, St. Catherine and Clarendon.
The JUTC will be introducing several new inter-parish routes. Of the 30 new diesel buses, 15 will be dedicated to launching a new JUTC Rural Express service, offering premium travel on long-haul direct routes from Halfway Tree Centre to Negril, Montego Bay, Ocho Rios, Port Antonio, Mandeville, with minimal stops. Just 1 or 2 per trip at an introductory fare of $2,000.
With these new buses, the JUTC, which is always in a cash crunch, will be able to cut expenditure. Minister Vaz said from October 2024 to April 2025, the state-run entity saved over $170 million in fuel expenses as more buses are using CNG.
The average monthly fuel cost per diesel bus is $1 million, compared to $350,000 Jamaican dollars per CNG bus.
With general elections on the horizon, some may question the timing of the buses. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness explained that the buses had to go through a lengthy procurement process before they arrived in Jamaica.
These buses that you're seeing here today, these 100 buses, were not ordered yesterday. We didn't go to a shop and say, 100 bus. These buses took 4 years of planning. 4 years. Not just yesterday. And this 4 years of planning started with an assessment of the problem. So you see, it is coming to fruition in elections. That's just coincidental. This is your government working day and night for years to put these things in place, and they are just materializing in front of you now.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.